Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is ZVS Holding signs €58 billion framework agreement to supply ammunition to EU under SAFE program. ZVS Holding has signed a 7-year framework agreement with the Slovak Ministry of Defense to supply large and medium caliber ammunition worth up to €58 billion to EU member states. The deal forms part of a wider plan for Slovakia to become a strategic European supplier, with purchases potentially financed through the EU's SAFE program. Deputy Prime Minister and Defence Minister Robert Karlanak said, Slovakia has, in recent years, become a strategic producer of large-caliber ammunition at both the European and global levels. The Slovak ammunition industry makes a crucial contribution to the security of EU and NATO member states and at the same time represents a significant economic benefit in terms of tax revenues and job creation. He added, Slovakia therefore has the ambition to become a leader in the supply of large and medium-caliber ammunition for EU member states and offers them a unique format for its procurement through the SAFE program. Negotiations are already underway with several interested parties who wish to join this Slovak ammunition initiative. The €58 billion figure reflects the maximum potential delivery volume based on available production capacity, and Slovak officials expect other European states to join the framework. ZVS Holding, jointly owned by the Slovak state and the CSG Group, is positioned as the supplier of 155mm artillery ammunition, 120mm tank ammunition, and 30mm and 35mm cannon ammunition for Slovakia and other EU partners. Jan Marinov, CEO of the CSG Defense Division, said, the CSG Group has succeeded in building a unique chain of ammunition manufacturers with a core in Slovakia, which ensures reliable supplies for our customers from production located on European soil. CSG's capabilities in the field of large-caliber ammunition were confirmed by the Czech Ammunition Initiative, which has significantly contributed to Ukraine's defense against Russian aggression. He added, we welcome the Slovak Ammunition Initiative, which can substantially strengthen the defense capabilities of EU states, and we are ready to fully contribute to it with our production capacities. ZVS CEO Jakub Krčnevý said, the conclusion of the framework agreement represents one of the most significant milestones in the modern history of ZVS. It confirms that our long-term investments in technology, people, and production quality have elevated Slovak ammunition to the absolute top tier in Europe. He added, thanks to the European Union's decision to significantly strengthen defense capacities and increase security spending, a space is opening for stable, transparent, and long-term sustainable deliveries of European ammunition. The commitment we are taking on is not only technological and industrial, but also societal. It contributes to Europe's security while strengthening the Slovak defense industry and employment in the region. The agreement offers a government-to-government format for EU states, providing what Slovakia describes as a transparent procurement process, long-term delivery certainty from European production sites, unified ammunition standards, quantity-based discounts, and potential access to SAFE financing. The SAFE program offers long-term EU loans with 1% interest rates and repayment periods of up to 40 years for defense projects, including ammunition procurement. Slovakia plans to draw €2.3 billion from SAFE, including €38.5 million for its own ammunition purchases, while also using the program to support acquisitions such as CV-90 infantry fighting vehicles, small arms, EVA howitzers and the SkySense counter-drone system. National production of large-caliber ammunition now represents 2% of Slovakia's GDP, with ZVS Holding in Dubnica nad Vajom serving as the main manufacturing center within CSG's vertically integrated supply chain. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.